Hi, my name's John. It's the first Sunday of the month, so it's time for my free monthly giveaway. If I remember rightly, the prize was a box of drills, one of my cups, and that lovely 0 to 4 inch modern right micrometer. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons and see if I can find a winner. Right, Adam8392, all you've got to do is send me an email with your address. That's my email up there, and I'll get those items posted off to you next week. I'm going to do another giveaway this week. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is obviously watch the video, which you're doing. Please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. You need to put a comment in the comment box. All you need to write is 2024 giveaway 11. You can write anything you want. I've had some wonderful comments, believe me, but you must include that phrase 2024 giveaway 11. I'm going to show the prizes now for this week's giveaway. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. You've got a normal set of Cleveland twist drills. These are real good quality drills. I don't get these given. I'm not sponsored by Cleveland drills, I actually buy them. Next, you've got a tube of anchor lube. I do use this all the time. It is really good gear. If you want to buy anchor lube, all you've got to do is go on the eBay, search anchor lube, and you'll find the lad that supplies me and the lad that sells them. Certainly a decent product. And the star prize is the one that Bob's done. It's a gift from Bob. He give it to me. He had to use or give away. And I'm going to give it away because I don't like digital clock gauges. It's just the way I am. But that's it there. Quite a nice little unit. It's got a back mount on as well. It doesn't look like it's being used, to tell you the truth. Quite a nice little bit of kit. Imperial and metal, of course. Once again, Bob, thanks very much for that really generous prize. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. We are getting perilously near to the magical 100,000 views. Anyway, thanks for watching.